Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can follow someone in Hilokal language exchange app. So you can see the homepage of Hilokal. So you can follow someone if you enter any room, if you enter any table. It's called table or grove where people speak. So if you go there, then you can follow someone, or you can follow someone through this a page. You can see, just choose any profile, because if I enter any table, then it's some showing some problem in audio. That's why I am not gonna enter. So I'm just going to show you how to follow. So once you enter any table, then you have to click the ID you're going to follow. Okay, so for example, this user, so I'm just going to click on her account, and once I click her, then you can see some option, and here is the follow option, and you can also see the all bio and ID related things about her. So once you click simply click follows. Okay, and you will be receive notification. Click the bell on the top left to stop receiving notification, or turn off the Bing settings in Hilokal. So you can see according to your interest, you can follow them, but this time I'm not gonna follow, and you can follow this way. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no man, thank you for watching.